Now, I would like to explain what is a prebiotics and what is a probiotics. Once you know what is a prebiotics and probiotics and what foods which are in kitchen, prebiotics as well as probiotics, you can enjoy your life like anything. It's a very important and very crucial, and once you know this, you will keep up your body like anything, because the whole body system is working on prebiotics and probiotic approach. This was first noticed by Ellen McKenna in 1903, and he got Nobel Prize also. And also in 2002 only, WHO recognized this concept. Now, what is a prebiotics? Prebiotics in the sense nourishing the gut microbes from a specific defined foods. Probiotics means adding beneficial microbes into the gut system through certain foods which are available in our kitchen. Now, what are all the prebiotics? Prebiotics, you can take garlic. It's the number one indigestible fiber. Second one is ginger. Third one is soaked fenugreek seeds, what we call methi, or sprouted one. In addition to that, this sweet potato is also prebiotic, including banana is also prebiotics. According to comfortness and availability and your food likingness, some people doesn't like garlic. So that's why according to these foods, any foods you can take as a prebiotics. In my concept, garlic 3 to 4 pieces, that is Indian size. Ginger 1 inch sliced one. Fenugreek seeds, in the sense methi 1 teaspoon soaked or sprouted. In probiotics, curd is number one supreme probiotics. In addition to that, cheese and also pickle. These things can be taken as a probiotic. But chronic kidney patients and some health disorder patients should not take pickle. It's having high sodium, that is a salt. So now, why we are emphasizing more on prebiotics nowadays? Because gut microbes which are transferring from mother to baby through natural delivery, that is through vaginal canal. So these microbes in our gut system having 10 times of our cells, and these microbes releases certain enzymes which will act like a catalyst to separate a particular nutrients to nourish entire our organs. We are having more than 80 organs. Each organs are interdependent. So that's why prebiotics are very important. So those who are taking lot of synthetic tablets, and particularly synthetic gastric tablets and all, for them gut microbes will get dysfunctional, and because of that reason some diseases are prevailing in decades. In my treatment, it will wipe out like anything because of this food as a medicine is approach. Thank you.